Good afternoon, reservation. This is Jem. How may I help you? Certainly, ma'am. I'm just checking for our availability. What date is that for? So you're arriving on the 1st of April and departing on the 4th of April. Is this correct, ma'am? How many rooms do you require, ma'am? Great, ma'am. We have those dates available in all room types. Do you know what type of room do you like to stay? Ma'am, our presidential suite room, together with an inclusive of buffet breakfast for two, costs only 15,000 per night. Would you like to avail this one, ma'am? Great, ma'am. I just need to take some few details from you. May I have your name, please? Okay, ma'am. Is it Victor Alpha November Echo Sierra Alpha Lima Echo Golf Alpha Sierra Papa India? Is it correct, ma'am? Alright, ma'am. Legaspi, we have booked you into a presidential suite room arriving on the 1st of April and departing on the 4th of April. Ma'am, do you have a preference for a smoking or non-smoking room? Ma'am, do you know what time you'll be arriving? Ma'am, our usual check-in time is at 2 p.m. However, if you arrive earlier than that, we can store your luggage. Okay, Mr. Gaspi, I just need to take some few more details from you. May I have your address and contact number? Is it 323 Manabat Street, San Antonio, Binyan, Laguna? And your contact number is 0935-123-4567. Is it correct, ma'am? Ma'am, how will you be paying your account? Would you like to use your Visa card to guarantee your booking? Actually, Ms. Legaspi, by guaranteeing your booking, it means that a room will be available for you no matter what you'll be arriving on the 1st of April. And to guarantee your booking, we need your credit card details. We will charge 50% of the first room rate today to your Visa card, and we will forward a receipt and a confirmation number. Legaspi, may I have your credit card details? Ms. Legaspi, I would like to confirm all the details of your reservation now. The booking is for Ms. Vanessa Legaspi, arriving on the 1st of April for 3 nights. We have booked you into a non-smoking presidential suite. The rate is 15,000 per night. Your address is 323 Manabat Street, San Antonio, Binyan, Laguna. And we will charge you 7,500 pesos for the room night rate today in your Visa card, which guarantees your booking. Is this right, Ms. Legaspi? Okay, ma'am. I'll give you now your confirmation number. Do you have a pen handy? Here's your confirmation number, N1234. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Ms. Legaspi. We're looking forward in seeing you on the 1st of April. Have a pleasant day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Malay. Would you like me to pass your bill?
cannot find the reservation. Do you have it in your confirmation number? Yes, please lang. Your reservation number Alright, I have already found the reservation. You will be staying with us on the 1st of April. Leaving on the 4th of April. Is that right, ma'am? How would you like to settle your account? May I have the Visa card, Mr. Legaspi? And also the assignment details. It's already paid. Okay, ma'am. I will send the card to you to arrange the payment. This is your Visa card. This is your... You don't need to take it off. Would you like to order to help you? Is there anything else? Okay, ma'am. If there's anything you need, you may just call the reception by dialing 1 on the telephone. Hope you enjoy your stay. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Good afternoon, Malayan Hotel. My name is Shane. How may I help you?
My room light is busted. Could you send maintenance here in my room?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry for the inconvenience. May I have your room number and your name, please, ma'am?
My room number is 512. My name is Vanessa Legaspi.
Alright, ma'am. Your room is on 512. I will contact the maintenance department and they will fix your light immediately.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. If you have any regards or any help with your room or with our service, don't hesitate to call. Thank you for calling, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye.
Ma'am, did you avail anything or do you have any further charges? I don't have it. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is your account details. Kindly check the charges to make sure it is correct. With my Visa card. Alright, ma'am, may I have your Visa card to process your payment? Ma'am, this is your Visa card and your receipt. Do you want to have a transfer arrangement? No, alright, ma'am, thank you for staying with us. Hope to see you again, ma'am. Have a great day. Okay, thank you.
Sige, go. Ayun na, go na lang. Sige, ma'am.
Hindi mo ah.
Hello, ate. Parang sa hapon. Ang bigla-bigla yung ano bang sabihin text? Hello po.
Patawagin mo ulit. Thank you, ma'am.